In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn group. Let's get started with something as foundational as logging into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once there, it's time to log in using your email address and password associated with your LinkedIn account. If you're someone who prefers a speedy login, you might have already set up alternative methods like continuing with Google, signing in with Apple, or using a Microsoft account. These options allow you to sign in with just a click or two. After entering your credentials, locate the Sign In button and give it a click. For those who've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. Simply check your registered phone for a code, input it, and you're good to proceed. Now that you're comfortably logged into your account, direct your attention to the My Network tab. This is your central hub for all things related to your connections and affiliations on LinkedIn. Once inside, look to the left side, and you'll spot a section labeled Groups. This is your portal into the vibrant world of LinkedIn groups. Clicking on this section will bring you to a dedicated page for groups. Take a moment to explore this area and look towards the upper right corner. There you'll find a button marked Create Group. Clicking on this button is your first step in bringing your LinkedIn group to life. Here's where the fun part begins. You're now in the group creation form. Think carefully about the name of your group, something that clearly represents its identity and purpose. This name will be the face of your group, so make it catchy and clear. Next, it's time to get creative with a concise description. This description should outline the objectives of your group and explain who it's for. Are you creating a space for marketing professionals to gather and share insights? Or perhaps a network for tech enthusiasts? Whatever your vision, make sure it's clear in this section. Prospective members will reference this to understand what your group stands for and whether it aligns with their interests. After filling in these essential details, take a moment to review everything. Ensure the information is accurate and thoughtfully composed. Once everything checks out, it's time to hit the Create button. Congratulations, you've just made a LinkedIn group. But this is only the beginning. Now, you have the opportunity to invite contacts, share valuable content, and facilitate engaging discussions that can really spur interaction within your professional community. Enjoy the journey of growing and nurturing a thriving LinkedIn group where like-minded professionals can connect and collaborate.